Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
Myself Dr. Saurabh Ingole, and I am pursuing the course of Masters in Public Health at MIT WPU. Now the recent pandemic has showed us that all the medical facilities that we have developed over the years were put to shame by the COVID pandemic that we saw. Thus there is a very much need of developing public policies as well as to improve the medical facilities.
Myself Dr. Shamli Fund. I am dentist by profession, and now here I am pursuing my Masters in Public Health in MIT WPU. I think this COVID pandemic is a rising alarm for everyone, and I feel so. So I choose my career in Masters in Public Health because it provides the field work and research work during this course.
My name is Dr. Diksha Khandare. I did my graduation in dentistry. I'm basically from Vidarbha. I choose MPH. MIT WPU provides you wings, thinking and making your ways in innovation and research.
I've done Bachelor in Dental Surgery, and I'm basically from Shillong. I came to know about this course after this pandemic actually, when I have a clinical practice for 2 years, and then I came to know about how people are suffering not only on individual level but how in a community level and how we can help it. Then I came to know about the course MPH.
I have pursued my Masters in Public Health so that I can promote a good health to the human being.
I am Professor Joe Thomas. I am the head of the School of Public Health at MIT World Peace University. It's my pleasure to invite you to take a look at the programs offered by MIT World Peace University at the School of Public Health. Today we know that public health or the healthy population is the best infrastructure for the national development. India is committed towards the social development and the sustainable development goals of the 2030 global agenda, and health is going to be one of the biggest or major player in achieving the sustainable development goal. And the School of Public Health is committed to contribute towards achieving health and well-being all in India, and we will be teaching our students in the issue of health policy, structural issues of health, and also health in all policies. And we have a particular emphasis on recruiting students from non-biomedical stream, and students from science, social science, Ayush, to take a look at the opportunities provided by Masters in Public Health. And many of our students are from non-medical background as well.